So question number 2, guys, what is mean by credit given? Credit given means you give credit, correct? Normally you give to who? Customer, correct? Customer means who? Trade receivable. Okay, can? And then credit taken, normally we take the credit from who? Trade payable, the supplier. Okay, the suppliers. Stock turnover got 2, but here they mention in days, correct? So you use the days formula. Stock turnover, the inventory turnover, days, or inventory days lah, whatever. Okay. So do we have the opening and closing for trade receivable? No, right? Okay, you only have one thing here, but they use this is very old exercise lah. They use the old term, debtors. Debtors is your what? Trade receivable. Creditors is your trade payable. TP, trade payable. So you take the debtors 28,500 divided by what? Net sales, correct? So net sales is your sales minus what? Sales return. So you take your sales 85,200 minus your sales return 2,800 times 365. So check, do you get 126? Next is trade payable days. You take your average trade payable balance divided by, be careful, this is net purchase, times 365. So how you find net purchase? Purchase minus purchase return. So your purchases is 47,600 minus your purchase return is 1450 times 365. So you should be able to get under 1 days. And your C is your day 1 inventory turnover, but in days. So you take your average inventory divided by what? Cost of sales times 365. So for your average inventory, be careful, we have the opening and what? Closing here. So you need to plus and divide by 2. Okay. You take the opening plus what? Closing divided by 2. So you have 6,700 plus 4,300 divided by 2. And your cost of sales is opening inventory plus purchase minus your purchase return minus your closing inventory. So your opening is 6,700 plus your purchase is 47,600 minus your purchase return 1450 minus your closing 4,300 times 365. And you should be able to get the 41 days. Can guys? So do you want to give a try on question 3 now? Thank you. Please. Now in your question number 3, let me explain first, then you guys start, yeah? Can you look at question number 3? Can you see working capital here? Now working capital means current ratio. And then in your part B, this is called acid test here. Acid test means quick ratio. And sometimes they also can call as liquid ratio. There's 3 names for that. Can? So your fixed asset is your NCA here. Long term liability is your NCL here. It's a very old term lah. Finance by, this is your equity here. Net worth is equity. But you have the formulas there, right? How to calculate the net worth. So when you put the answer for current ratio, make sure you put the ratio to 1, nisbah 1. That's a format for current ratio and also for quick ratio or the acid test ratio. These two, make sure you put the ratio 1. CA minus inventory divided by CL. Now, some of you just might be waiting for your part E. Okay, when it comes to part E, they want you to calculate the ROC again. But if you look at the special note they gave you here, look at that. Return on capital at what? First of first 2000. So that means you go back to the question. Look at here. Capital at first of first 2000. They want you to use this amount, which is what? 60,000. So the 60,000 comes here. So you take your net profit 28,500 divided by 60,000. Then you times 100. You should be able to get the answer. $47.5.